in the game. I'm on the grind trying to get mine by selling the game. I hit a lick and do it quick, cause the loud be on dick. Trying to catch a nigga, slipping, jumping out of burners and shit. Steady mobbing down my block with a handful of rocks. And I got to make the block, cause the loud and jump got it's hot. On the nigga of baller, see a nigga falling up on the corner, smoking marijuana. They wanna catch you slipping, fool. And if you slipping, man, you fucked off in the game. But not using your brain, it's a shame my nigga be slipping up on the block with a handful of rock. Knowing that spot high, knowing I'm loud and jumping out. But I ain't gon' let them roll me on the nigga like me. That's why I mob and I roll while I smoke on the switch and sweet. Mob, roll, smoke, get that choke. If you on your back, put your stomach wide open. Mob, roll, smoke, get that choke. If you on your back, put your stomach wide open.
What do I see? So when the be decent, when it bump they back like that. Ain't matter of fact, they talk up back, don't get your real case cracked. They thought it was done in, they hear filled up to the dump that they hugged in. They needed some strong wind, until they found out they love for one thing. One window don't in, they talking about that bullshit. Watch it, that they from the end, watch you niggas get slaved with. They thought it was over, they know not the focus, these boss is soldier. They body is colder, paralyzed down from their head to the shoulder. But now we bolder, the true definition of a mob and a roller. But still a smoker, know that your mouth be a damn overloader. We coming up bolder, sitting in the lane, pumping up that doja. Hit like a boulder, gotta watch one time cause they on my shoulder. When the shit gets over, I'm still gon' be a boxing soldier. And keeping it real, and all of my steel for the bitches that's trying to jack me for my riches. I ain't giving up, just sitting steady. Walking through my hood and I'm ripping up that wood. Smoke, get that choke, leave you on your back with your stomach wide open. Bomb, smoke, get that choke, leave you on your back with your stomach wide open.
One, two, three. Okay, so we already prep the engine bay, grind, sanding, wipe with acetone, and then blow it with air gun. Then now we're gonna use epoxy primer, samurai, spray can. We see the result. Hopefully it's gonna be good enough. Yeah, I think it's gonna be good enough. So don't worry. Let's go. Okay, Kevin, tekan sampai dia lempuk. Okay, dah. Let's shake 3 minit Yeah. Now we're gonna shake it like for 3 minutes. We already pop the hardener down there. Then shake for 3 minutes.
Don't get it. Text a message, I don't know the number. Flexing on these niggas, every bone and muscle. Steady taking shots, never hurting them. Even then, y'all don't worry nothing. And I like to give a shout out to my niggas with the game plan. And shout outs for my niggas with escape plans. 20 bands, reindeers. We can use the rain check, but we can make plans. Pockets loaded, rocket loaded, keyless, rock and rollers. Time to go, lock, stock, and two smoking barrels, locked and loaded. Diamonds glowing, drop, climbing on them. Think I'm jumping out the window, I got them open. Line around the corner, line them up the block and over. Times I even stop the smoking when it's time to bubble.
So what's this?
This is what we call rubberized undercoat for underneath of your car. So if there's a pebbles on the road, your tires picking up, right, and then through on your car body, so it won't make like clanking sound like tang tang tang. It will be like tup, tup, more like sound deadening.
What's mine? Then take some more. It rains, it pours, it rains, it pours. Yeah, I sold the pack, the loose, the hard. Yeah, I listen to X, I peep the bars. Yeah, the snakes, the rats, the cats, the dogs, the games, attract, protect your heart. Yeah, I waited in line, return, refine the new design. It's time to shine, to shine, to shine, to shine, to shine. I hustle, I flex. The world is mine, so please believe, allow the grease. These niggas, disease, don't speak, we squeeze. I make the devil go weak, the knees. You hate, you're lame, you're lost. I came, I saw, I came, I saw. I praise the Lord, then break the law. I take what's mine, and take some more. It rains, it pours, it rains, it pours. I came, I saw, I came, I saw. I praise the Lord, then break the law. I take what's mine, and take some more. It rains, it pours, it rains, it pours. She came, I came, that was my name, my chain, my pants with the chain. They know it's me, the hat and the shades. They heard my voice and they ran to the stage. My veins, my praise, my main.